Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jason with Buddha Farms. This is just going to be a quick little video. I've had a couple of people ask, so I wanted to show y'all what I'm doing, and also just a little tiny demonstration of a quick DIY tool I made, just as to help make the growing medium for the microgreens. I actually have the trays growing right now on the tables here, so I don't have a lot of room, but I got to make trays for another batch of microgreens. So I'm going to harvest these in the next couple of days, and they'll go to the market on Sunday in Abita Springs. Hopefully everybody likes them. We sell a good bit of them, but I'm going to get started because I need to. The next batch of microgreens, I already got them inside. I got the seeds weighed. Now I need to make the medium and put them in the trays and get the trays ready to plant later on this afternoon. So I'm going to take it down, show you what I made here to help me out with that. All right, guys, all I really did was take some one by ones, made a little square frame for it, and then I just have this 1/4 inch hardware cloth you could get from any Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever hardware store, and I got that stapled along the bottom. And what that's going to do is help sift out this peat moss. And I'm going to show you these peat moss bags typically come in these giant blocks. They're compressed blocks, and when it's compressed like that, you need to kind of break it up to make it loose. And there, you'll also see there's a lot of little pieces of wood and just bark and stuff like that. So that's just a chunk of peat moss right there, and I just break it up, use my hands a little bit just to break it up somewhat, but then I also just kind of shake it out, and it'll get a good bit of that out. And I just have it placed over this tub here, so all the good stuff, the fine parts, it will just fall through the screening into that tub. And then what you're left with is some bigger pieces, some little pieces of wood chip, and just some finer pieces of peat moss that just hasn't broken up well. But you want that real fine mix for that for those microgreens. And I'm also on top of this. So all I do with that scrap, I just got another little bin. I'm going to dump that in there, and we'll put that in the compost pile later on. So once I have this this bin filled up a good way, you actually see that I have some mix I made prior. I just didn't have enough of that white stuff. That's the vermiculite. I'm going to add that to there too, just to thicken up the mix a little bit. Not thicken up, that's the wrong word, but just add a little bit to it. Keep it light and fluffy, so it'll hold water and it won't get real clumpy. So, all right, guys, I hope that helps. I'm going to go make a lot more of this and get those trays ready for this afternoon for those microgreens. Talk to y'all later, guys. Thanks for following. Bye.